Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share Twitch profile link. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, search for the Twitch app, and you need to download Twitch application. As you can see, I already download. Then you simply need to open and log in into your account. So I am on the Twitch. Now I'm going to select this profile for example. So let me select this profile of this person. So I select it. Then you simply need to click on three dots here. Here you can see different options. Here you can see option share via. So now you have the link. You simply need to copy that and share that anywhere wherever you want. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.